Are you tired of waiting for one dish to finish cooking before you can start on another? Gourmia has come to the rescue with their innovative dual-basket digital air fryer. This revolutionary kitchen appliance allows you to simultaneously cook two different types of foods, making meal preparation faster and more convenient than ever before. Say goodbye to the hassle of juggling cooking times and temperatures. With Gourmia's dual-basket air fryer, you can indulge in perfectly cooked meals with minimal effort. Here are the key features of Gourmia 9-quart dual-basket digital air fryer. 2 baskets, double the convenience. Gourmia's dual-basket air fryer features 2 4.5-quart baskets, giving you the freedom to cook 2 separate dishes simultaneously. Now you can effortlessly prepare a delectable feast for your family or entertain guests with ease. Whether it's crispy French fries alongside dehydrated apple slices or roast meat with succulent turkey, this air fryer offers endless culinary possibilities. Smart finish for flawless timing. Never worry about mismatched cooking times again. The Smart Finish function synchronizes both baskets to complete cooking at the same time, regardless of their individual time or temperature requirements. This intelligent feature ensures that all your dishes are served piping hot and ready to enjoy, saving you valuable time and energy. Match cook for full batches, preparing a large batch of your favorite dish. Gourmia's Match Cook feature allows you to apply the settings of one basket to the other, resulting in a complete 9-quart batch. This functionality ensures consistent results across both baskets, so you can achieve perfect cooking every time. Fry Force 360 degrees technology for healthier meals. With Fry Force 360 degrees technology, Gourmia's air fryer lets you enjoy deliciously crispy food without the need for excessive oil. This innovative cooking method eliminates up to 80% of fat, making your meals healthier while retaining the irresistible flavors and textures you crave. One-touch cooking functions for simplified operation. Say goodbye to trial and error in the kitchen. Gourmia's dual-basket air fryer comes equipped with 7 one-touch cooking functions. These pre-programmed settings take the guesswork out of cooking and provide optimal times and temperatures for air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, reheating, and keeping your food warm. Achieve perfect results every time with just a touch of a button. Guided cooking for seamless meal preparation. Gourmia's dual-basket air fryer offers guided cooking, providing optional preheat reminders and turn food notifications. This user-friendly feature guides you through the cooking process with visual and audible prompts, ensuring that you never miss a step and guaranteeing culinary success. Intuitive touchscreen for effortless control. Navigating the air fryer's settings and monitoring your cooking preferences is a breeze with the intuitive angled touchscreen. The clear and user-friendly interface allows you to customize your cooking experience with ease, giving you full control over your culinary creations. Exclusive recipe book for culinary inspiration. To further elevate your cooking experience, Gourmia includes a recipe book filled with mouth-watering dishes developed by their in-house chefs. These recipes are specifically curated for the dual-basket air fryer, allowing you to explore new flavors and unleash your inner chef. Conclusion: Gourmia's dual-basket digital air fryer is a game-changer in the kitchen. Its innovative features, including 2 baskets, Smart Finish, Match Cook, Fry Force 360 technology, one-touch cooking functions, guided cooking, and an intuitive touchscreen, make it an indispensable appliance for anyone seeking convenience, versatility, and healthier cooking options. With Gourmia's commitment to quality and the included recipe book, you'll have everything you need to create culinary masterpieces. Upgrade your cooking game and experience the joy of effortless, delicious meals with Gourmia's dual-basket digital air fryer.